Your phone Lickle?
Your dick Lickle.
Dingo! What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy DeAndre Dingo. You know what I'm saying? Now, today's video, I'm about to link up with a special person, somebody that y'all seen from last video. But in today's video, what I'm gonna do is I'm pretty much gonna teach her, like, you know, Jamaican words, like how to say things in like a Jamaican patois, you feel me? And then that's pretty much gonna be it. So I'm about to head over to a crib right now, link her up, and then we're gonna make the video in the V, and let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. You ready?
Let's do it.
Ready for your words?
Let's do it.
Alright, ready?
Gotcha.
First word?
First word.
Alright, first word is, it says what's up. But then we gonna translate into Jamaican version, right?
I have to repeat it?
Yeah, so what I say, you gotta say it.
Alright.
So the first word is wagwan.
Wagwan.
Oh shit, you I thought, alright. Damn. Alright. My fault. Alright. The next one, alright, this is a curse word though.
What is it?
Bumbleclot.
Bumbleclot.
Alright. Nah, but thing is, I'm gonna make you get it right though. Alright, repeat it again.
You gotta say it again.
Bumbleclot.
Bumbleclot.
Alright, you see how you say it? You saying I can't, it's because I know how to do it. It's hard to repeat. It's
the accent.
Yeah, it's hard to repeat how you do it. Alright, do it slow, repeat it. Do it slow.
Bumbleclot.
Alright, you say bum.
Bum, cause you
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Alright, so be like,
Bum.
make it aggressive. Bum.
Bum.
Buh.
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 Clot.
Clock. Clock?
No, clot.
Clot.
Yeah, so like bumbleclot.
Bumbleclot. Sounds better.
Yeah, it's better. It's just a clot. That's, you know what I'm saying? But it's good though. Alright, next one is Ross.
Ross.
So you know how somebody be like, oh, what did Ross?
Huh?
Like, for example, I could be like, let's say somebody crashed into my car, God forbid, right? God forbid, and I'll be like, oh, what did Ross clot?
So you just use it in that term?
Yeah, where you depon.
Okay.
That's pretty much a whole sentence right there.
That's it?
Yeah, where you depon.
Where'd you put it?
Alright, listen. Where? What? Alright, I can't even say it slow. It's gonna sound so weird. It's gonna sound so weird. That's the thing with Jamaican words, like you just gotta say it. You gotta say it fast. Alright, so it's like where you depon.
Where something.
Alright, so you want me to tell you?
Yeah.
Alright, so when you say where you depon, it's like me saying what you doing.
Oh, like what's up?
Yeah, like what's up? What you doing? Like,
okay.
Like what's the movements? What's the word? You get what I'm saying? Like you trying to link all that? Yeah, you can use it for all those.
Where that pun?
Yeah, where that pun? I'ma soon come.
I'ma soon come.
Yeah, pretty much like that.
I'ma come soon.
Yeah, like it's like you ask me where you at, and I'm like, yo, I soon be there.
Okay.
Alright, but you can say it though.
Say it again.
I'ma soon come.
I'ma soon come.
Yeah, but like I'ma soon come.
I'ma soon come.
Alright, hey, I ain't gonna lie, you doing this better than I thought. Some people do it bad. They can't even say a word. Alright, this one is Nyam.
Nyam.
Yeah, Nyam.
Use it in a sentence.
I'm just done a Nyam, I look at food.
I'm sorry, what?
Alright, listen. Alright. I'm just done a Nyam, I look at food. You don't get it? Alright, I'm basically saying, I was basically saying, I'm just eating some food. So Nyam is eat.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm just saying Nyam, I look at food.
I'm eating? Or like,
that's what nyam mean. Like, yeah, nyam.
Like you ate?
Yeah. Or alright, exactly. You see, you see how you ask me you ate?
Yeah.
So it's like if you ask me you ate and you put in Jamaican term now, you be like, yeah, nyam? Question mark. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Or if you're eating and I come to you, I'm like, yeah, nyam? So it's like,
yeah, I'm eating.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay.
So nyam is eating. You're eating food. You know what I mean? Alright, that's that. Alright, next one is brethren.
Bridgen?
Brethren.
Brethren.
Alright, you got it on that one right there. You know what I want me?
No, sentence, please.
Alright, alright, I'm gonna put it down. Brethren is like, alright. Wagwan, my brethren.
Not a clue. I don't know.
Alright, it's like when they say wagwan, my brethren, kind of like one thing where y'all say, what's up, bro? It's like a bro, like brethren, my guy.
Bridgen?
Yeah, brethren.
What's up, Bridgen?
Yeah, easy, just like that.
Gotcha.
I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of hard correlating between the accents and the New York way, the foreign talking. So I'm about to cut it up a little bit. I'm about to just hit you with the straight Jamaican accent.
Got you.
All right. Something can't be myself now. Yeah. All right. Next word is wicked.
Wicked?
All right. It's almost the same thing. So like, say how you would I say wicked.
Wicked.
Now, make it more aggressive.
Wicked.
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 Yeah, like you're wicked.
Wicked.
You gotta make the last part strong.
Wicked.
Yeah, you're wicked.
You're wicked.
Alright. Say the next word. Next word, lickle.
A lickle.
I know lickle, but lickle.
Lickle.
Yeah, so try put in one sentence.
I lickle you.
That wrong. You have to put it this way. If you say lickle, right? Lickle mean little, right? That's a lickle mean, a little. We're little. So I'm like, oh, I can see you. I'm like, look upon the little girl, yeah.
She's little.
So that's pretty much what I'm saying. Like, lickle, like, look upon this little thing. Look upon this little buckle they give me. I could be like, look upon that California.
California.
Exactly. So yeah, I see you got it. You catching on.
I'm better than I.
You catching on wrong. You see what I'm saying?
Slowly.
I could tell. Like if you're around a lot of Jamaicans more often, and you hear the accent, you gonna catch on quick. All right. Next one. Idiot. You can say that.
Idiot.
Yeah. So I gotta say idiot.
Idiot.
Yeah. Idiot.
Idiot. You idiot.
Exactly. That's probably like the easiest one. Alright. So how you gonna put idiot in one sentence?
The pun idiot.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
I don't know what I was saying.
No. You was actually onto something. Go ahead.
Hold on.
You was actually onto something. Go ahead.
The pun lick it.
You wanted something though.
Lick it. How do you say phone? I just phone.
Phone is like phone.
What did I say? Le pon lickle phone.
Exactly. You getting it though. Like once
it's gonna come.
You just gotta make it like
aggressive.
Aggressive, more confident in it, and it's just gonna. That's the thing with the accent though. Like the patois, it's like something you just gotta say it.
Got you.
For example, like if like a person like me now, I could transition. You know what I mean? So if I'm talking like this. And somebody talking about, oh, let me hear something. It's gonna be mad weird for you to be asking me. Like I just gotta naturally do it. You know what I mean? All right. Next word is crosses.
Crosses?
Yeah. So, all right. I put it this way. You be like, y'all crosses.
Y'all stupid.
Like y'all crosses. You're stupid. You're crazy. All type of things.
Stupid.
All right. So say the word crosses.
Y'all crosses.
All right. Now put it this way. Y'all crosses.
Y'all crosses.
Probably that. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That's your best one right there. That's your best one.
Y'all crosses.
I got another one for you. It's another cuss word though.
Okay.
Alright, it's almost the same thing with the other one, but alright, this one is pussy clot.
Pussy clot. That be say that bad.
But you see, you got the obviously you got the pussy part, right? But you wanna get your clot.
Pussy clot.
There you go. There you go. Now put it together. Put it together. Do it.
Yeah, pussy clot.
Yeah. Yeah. I like that one.
Yeah,
I like
pussy
that
clot.
one. Yo, tell him again.
Yeah, pussy clot.
Alright. See, I got a bonus. This
a bonus.
Now, this one, you don't wanna go and say it to anybody. Cause like, you know what I'm saying? So like, let's say somebody pisses you off. This is the ultimate disrespect to a Jamaican person. Like you tell a Jamaican this, they gonna wanna fight you. So if you tell a Jamaican like, yo, go suck your mother.
Come on, suck your mother.
If you tell a Jamaican that, they gonna be on your ass.
Suck your mother.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out.
Damn, why you gotta say to me for? What did I do? Why you gotta say to me for? What did I do?
Suck your mother.
Alright, we got, so you see the mother part now? Yeah,
suck your mother.
Yeah, mud.
Mud.
Da.
Mother.
Alright, hold on. You got that right. So you gotta make the suck aggressive. Suck. Like suck. Your
mother.
Suck your mother.
Suck your mother.
Yeah. Yeah, that one good. You see what I'm saying? Like, if you just take your time and really make it aggressive and then say it, just put it together, you're good. See how the Jamaican words work now?
Yeah, it's very like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like, I don't know. Like when you're putting stuff together, it crosses. Like the words is very crossy. So you just gotta listen to people just saying that.
Exactly.
You come out. Cause like I feel like when someone's like, oh what, and you say it again, it's gone. Like when you say a word, it's just you can't say it.
It's pretty easy. You just gotta adapt. It adapts easy. You just gotta listen, try to pronounce it. If you just go fast into it, like, you're not gonna get it.
You gonna sound goofy crazy.
Exactly. If you take it time, then you alright. So you get it now?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, so you wanna say some stuff?
Oh God, nah. See, you putting me under the pressure.
That's the point.
You put me under the pressure.
That's the point. Go underneath the pressure. Now you gotta say, alright.
Now I can't.
You can say like 2 or 3 things.
Suck your mother.
Oh, you remember that though. Alright, so what's the next one?
Gabon.
Gabon. That sound like French.
What's another one? I want to use a whole sentence, like with what's little Lickle?
Lickle.
Oh my God. I'm about to say phone as bone.
Phone.
Alright.
So you got Lickle, yeah, phone.
Yeah, phone Lickle.
Your phone Lickle.
Yeah, dick Lickle.
Wow. It's kind of tough. I ain't gonna say that. I'ma just let that one slide, you feel me? I'ma just let it slide. I ain't gonna say much.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, you kind of caught me off guard with that one. I ain't gonna expect you to say that.
See? Catching on.
I was gonna say something, I'm not gonna say it.
Say it.
Nah, it's just too
out of pocket.
This conversation's about to go get crazy.
But
yeah. You think so though?
Maybe.
Do you think so?
Maybe.
We gonna leave it at maybe.
Maybe.
If that's what you think.
That maybe.
Alright. It's a big maybe?
It's a big maybe.
No. Oh my God, bro. Alright. We gonna end the video right here. I'll call it a day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.